Okay, so this next assignment I call ClipFL, where you're going to use Photoshop to create use text to create like a cookie cutter, a clipping mask where the text cuts the picture. The text will be your name, and what's filled inside, instead of it just being a color fill, will be a picture, an image that you select. So we're going to work from the internet and also from Photoshop. Mostly this is done in Photoshop, but you need a picture. So one of my favorite landscape photographers is Peter Lick, and he's got a great website. So we're going to go to www.lik.com, www.lik.com, and let this page load in here. He provides a lot of full-size images of things he's taking pictures of. So go to the work and go ahead and take a few minutes. Have the instructor pause this video so you have a time to go through the different categories of pictures and find a picture that you want. When you do find the picture that you want, I'm just going to go ahead and pick one of these. Go with this one. Make sure you've selected it. It's full size. Right click over it and save image as, and go and save it in your folder. Okay, go ahead and save it in your folder. Remember the name of it. Mine's bellavista.jpg. And then go to Photoshop, open up Photoshop, and pause this video as you need to keep up with me, because I'm just going to move through the instructions. So again, just have the instructor pause as needed. So from Photoshop, we want to File, Open, and browse to where your image is, and open it up, and we'll use that as the size of the image. Make sure you unlock the layer, and again, what you have in the picture will be what fills the letters of your text. So we need text. To do that, we're going to go to the Type tool in Photoshop, which is right here on the toolbar, and we're going to come up on the Control panel. When you select the Type tool, the Control panel up here will show the different things you need for type, and then find a font. And find a font that has kind of a fat letter, not skinny but fat, so we can see the picture. I'm going to go with Goudy Stout. And then I want you to come up somewhere on your picture and click and type in your name. And do a Control T. Actually, no. To use the Move tool to move it where you want it, and then do a Control T and resize it. You want to make it kind of big so it fills the width of the image. Okay, sort of like that. Also, so you could see it better, I'm going to go to the Type. Yes, I want to apply those transformations. Go to the Type tool and change. I'm going to change it to white so you can see it better. Okay? So I put my name, and notice we have two layers. So in order to use the text as a cookie cutter to cut and fill with the picture, we need the text, the type layer, the text layer to be on the bottom, below your image. So I'm just going to come over here to the Layers panel, and I'm just going to click, hold, and drag to get the text below my picture layer. Now, of course, when that happens, the picture covers up the text. Text is no longer visible, but that's okay because we'll be able to move that in just a second so you can see it. Now what we want to do is go to the image layer, layer 0 in my case, but the top layer where the picture is. And we're just going to do a simple layer clip by going up here to layer, and then we want create clipping mask. Now this is only going to be highlighted if you have the text below the image layer, and the image layer is the layer that's selected. Then go ahead and click that, and you'll see now the text of your name. And using the move tool, you can go ahead and move around the background until you get the part of the picture filling your name as you might want. Okay, it's up to you. Just kind of position where you want it. And then, of course, we have lots of checkerboard. We want to get rid of that, so we're going to use the crop tool. We use the crop tool here, and we're going to go ahead and just do a tight crop box around your name and apply that change. And we're done. Now what we want to do is save this. So File, Save for Web, and we want to change the preset to PNG 24. And we want to save this as ClipFL. So I'm going to click Save, change the name to ClipFL. See where I'm at there, ClipFL, and make sure you browse to your folder and save it. All right. And then we want to put this on our Web Starts page. So we're going to log into Web Starts, and we're going to our photography page. And this will be the first thing that you put on your photography page. So you're going to upload it and place it right up near the top. And I want you to label it. I want you to start getting in the habit of labeling all your projects on Web Starts. So this is called ClipFL. Whoa, what just happened? Okay, he had something there. Make sure you, well, that's fine. Anyways, go ahead and get that on your photography page. Label it as ClipFL, and you're all done. Please help your neighbor if they are struggling. Help your neighbor through these steps. Thanks.